we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of MXZ gaming PC computer R5. That's include CPU, AMD Ryzen 5, 7500F, 3.7 to 5.3 GHz 6-core 12-thread, graphics, RTX 4060. Smooth graphic, RTX 4060. RAM, 16GB DDR5. Hard drive, NVMe M.2, 1 TB solid-state drive, motherboard, B650 motherboard. Power supply, 600 watt 80 plus power supply, operating system, Windows 11 Pro, installed already. Connectivity, 5x USB 3.2 Gen 1. 4x USB 2.0. 1x RJ45 network Ethernet 10/100/1000. Audio, 7.1 channel. Special add-ons, PCIe Wi-Fi. Window side case panel. 6 RGB fans for maximum air and lighting. Multiple RGB colors. 1 year parts and labor, free lifetime tech support. This configuration is capable of running many games such as World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Grand Theft Auto 5, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Battlefield V, Minecraft, and more. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.